Today unboxing is on the Tomica Aeon Exclusive, and that's the Toyota Land Cruiser in UK police specification. I will also compare this UK police with the rest of the Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series. And now let's take a closer look at the Tomica Aeon UK Police Land Cruiser. This UK Police Land Cruiser was released in November last year. It's available at Aeon malls in Japan and not in Aeon convenience stores. Very nice, I like the UK deco. It will fit very well into my police car collection. Quality paint job, sharp livery, and also the plastic insert headlights with a very clear Toyota logo. The standard button wheels comes with an off-road version that pairs very well with this casting. Comes with a standard factory suspension with opening doors on both sides. The spare wheel at the back is integrated with the body to cut costs. You can also see the word police on 3 sides of the casting, and it also comes along with a standard light bar. Apart from the theme, everything is the same as compared with the very first Land Cruiser 70 with the JF version mainline that was released in 2018. Also the Tomica factory event model, which is the Park Ranger theme in 3 colors. Everything is the same except for the livery difference and also an additional light bar for the UK police. The Toyota Land Cruiser is an evergreen casting for Tomica that is very popular among collectors. I hope Tomica will release more variant of this Land Cruiser to be added into my collection. More Tomica unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!